Scott from SmartKits Australia, and I'm here out at one of our sites in Brisbane, Queensland, with my good friend Jake here, who's one of our builders for QHI National. And QHI National is the building company that is the recommended installer for SmartKits Australia, located all across Australia. Jake, what are we building here today?
Today we are building a deck and a patio roof. It's a bit of a unique one. It's a deck outside a pool area.
It's definitely a deck outside of a pool area. But one of the things we noticed about this one was that the backyard here is pretty level. It's a great spot in Brisbane, but the backyard dipped right off and they really had a non-usable space back there. When you combine that with one of our steel frame decks, put what above it?
A pool pavilion.
Pool pavilion,
yep.
Insulated panel.
Insulated panel.
What can we put in those?
We can put downlights and fans.
And they look pretty damn good when they're up there, don't they?
They sure do.
What's the colour of the fan that most people are choosing at the moment?
White.
Yeah, white or black. Yeah, black looks good too.
Yep.
Insulated panel roof means you get a nice smooth finish on the underside. Now, steel frame decks are absolutely perfect for levelling out your backyard, giving you more usable area, especially when you combine it with your swimming pool space. Our deck and pool roof pavilions are on our website. They go really well. They'll add massive value to your home, and you get good young fellas like Jake out there building it for you. Hey, Jake?
Yep, you sure do.
Hey, Jake, tell us a bit about your story about how you ended up on the tools with QHI.
When I first started, I was in the office doing the design work, so doing all the models to meet engineering for our customers, and we're supplying those kits all around Australia. And I just got interested in the build side of it and wanted to know how they went up. So I went to Scott one day and asked him, how do you feel about me going out and having a go at building these? And he made it happen.
Yeah, so we put Jake with one of our experienced build teams and signed Jake on as an apprentice. And
yep.
He's officially an apprentice with QHI now, and out there building and building dreams and lifestyles for people like you every single day. Now we supply these kits for you to install yourself, of course, or if you're not confident to do the build, we'll get one of our guys, one of our teams, to come out and do the build for you.